Hello everyone. In the previous video we had learnt about animals our friend, that how animals are our friend, and about wildlife. And now we have to study about danger of wildlife trade. What is wildlife trade? Wildlife trade is illegal practice of hunting and poaching of animals or plants for own profit, in order to make their personal profit. In many parts of the world, the wildlife is in danger because of hunting and poaching activities. So let us find out why people are hunting animals. There are animals which are being killed for their body parts, which are used by man. Elephants are killed for the tusk, that is ivory, which is used for making different types of jewelries. North and South American bears are killed for their gallbladder to make different types of medicines. Rhinoceros are being killed for their horns. These musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi, which is further used for making perfumes. And a variety of mountain goat, is being hunted for getting wool. Tigers are endangered throughout their range. They are killed because of their bones, their skin. Bone is used to make tiger bone wine, and the skin is used to decorate walls, and their claws and teeth are used to make different types of jewelries, and which is also supposed to bring good luck. Legs of frog are eaten and considered to be a delicacy. About 200 million to 1 billion frog legs are consumed every year. And because of this, many species of frogs are becoming extinct. And because of wildlife trade, many species of many animals are becoming extinct, and many animals are endangered. So we need to protect them. We need to protect wildlife. Many times we hear that monkeys are troubling people. They are taking things, or leopard or tigers are becoming man eater. So we should realize. That they are doing so because we people are destroying them. We destroying their area. We destroying their areas of living, that is forest. So protection of wildlife is very, very important. Therefore, the Government of India enacted the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 with the objectivity of illegal hunting and poaching. That means to control the illegal hunting or poaching the animals. Under this act, there are punishment and penalty. Another reason for wildlife protection is that they are very important for food chain. They are very important for the food chain. They form an important part of. Another important reason to protect wildlife is that they play an important role to form the food chain. If they are killed, many animals of that food chain are affected. which we will learn in next video.